Hello and welcome to the Chow Hall. Today I'm doing a quick review of my Lavatools PT12 instant read thermometer. If I had one piece of advice to give someone about cooking, meats especially, it would be to get a good instant read thermometer. If you struggle with overcooking or undercooking meat and don't have an instant read, you absolutely need one. With a good instant read thermometer, you can drop all the guesswork. You'll know exactly what temp whatever you're cooking is at, meaning overcooked steak or undercooked chicken will be a thing of the past. I used to buy those $5 specials from the grocery store or Walmart, but they either weren't accurate or would fall apart and fail after not much use. Looking to get something a little more high quality, I stumbled upon the Lavatools PT12 on Amazon. It had great reviews, as you can see here, and didn't break the bank. I've had mine for years now, and it's still going strong. I use it basically every time I cook, and I've never had an issue. It's still as accurate as when I first purchased it, and I don't think I've even changed a battery yet. To me, this says a lot, because I use and abuse the hell out of it. I've had it by insanely hot temps, I've spilled things on it, dropped it, you name it, with no issues. If you don't have an instant read, or are in the market for one, you should definitely check this one out. For a sub $30 thermometer, you can't go wrong. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Chow Hall content. Thank you.